Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 10 desktop keep refreshing problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all in the search box type of services, open services, and after doing this stat find out a Windows error reporting service property. No no here is a Windows error reporting service, so open it and click on disable and click on apply and OK button. After that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After completing that, type a command is dism.exe space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. After doing this chat, it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.